Does the amount of time and work you feel you need to put into your business in order to create that full-time income seem overwhelming? I get it. It can be hard. And when you've been working at it for a while and you don't yet have much money coming in, it can really be disheartening, causing you to wonder if you should quit. But take heart, my dear online entrepreneurs, because I'm going to break it down for you how you can reach a solid full-time income of $100,000 per year with just 1,000 fans. Hey, I'm Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and this channel is here to help you online entrepreneurs create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So in today's video, I'm going to help you break this down into some very manageable numbers, because truly, if your goal is to reach full-time income online, you can do it if you stay focused. So if you want to reach $100,000 a year with just 1,000 fans, what does it mean to have 1,000 fans? Well, those aren't just 1,000 followers on YouTube or on Instagram or something like that. These are true fans, super fans, people who absolutely love you. They read all of your blog posts, they watch all of your videos, they read all of your emails, and most importantly, when it comes to the bottom line, they buy just about everything you come out with. Now, you might find the number of 1,000 intimidating, but rest assured, that is a very attainable number when it comes to finding super fans online. Think about the billions of people online and the beautiful fact that you can truly reach anyone online these days, no matter if they live on the opposite side of the world or not. So ask yourself this question: could 1 in 1 million people get really excited about the content that you're providing online, about how you're serving people online? If that answer is yes, then you can reach 1,000 superfans. So why 1,000 specifically? Well, I didn't create this concept myself. It's actually been around in entrepreneur circles for a while, but let's break this down so you truly understand it and can reach it yourself. Now, personally, the number of 1,000 could change based on your specific business, but it's a really good starting point for most people. If over the course of a year you can get 1,000 superfans to pay you $100, then you're making $100,000 a year. And $100,000 a year here in the US is a full-time income or better for most families. So between your affiliate offers, your memberships, digital courses, coaching, consultations, live events, products, are you currently able to earn $100 from a single person? If so, great. Then 1,000 is your number. You just adjust it up or down depending on the price points of your offers and if you have business partners that you got to split the money with. So if you have a business partner for each of you to then earn $100,000 per year and you make $100 per superfan, then you need 2,000 superfans. But if you can earn $200 per superfan, then you're back to only 1,000 superfans for each of you to individually earn $100,000 per year. Now, if you can earn $500 per superfan and you're flying solo without any business partners, that's only 200 superfans. So you could just adjust the numbers based on your personal business model. Now, yes, Todd and I have definitely attracted superfans, and it's actually really fun because we've actually been at live events and we've had people introduce themselves as our benefactors. They've actually used that word, benefactors, saying that they just love us and they buy absolutely everything we come out with. That right there, that's a superfan, and they are priceless. So hopefully that $100,000 a year is starting to feel a lot closer to your reach. It is. Yes, it still is going to take a lot of time and work. You should truly commit to really a 3-year process to find and reach those 1,000 fans. But if you are consistent, you'll get there before you know it. Now, what's really cool about focusing on just 1,000 superfans is that you can get really laser focused in your messaging. You know the exact person, the 1 out of 1 million that you are speaking to. You know what their goals are, what their struggles are, what their interests are, so that you can create content that really rings true to them. So when they read it, when they watch it, they feel like you actually read their mind. It's exactly what they needed, and that is how you create a superfan. There's almost nothing better for us personally than seeing the comments on a video or a blog post that says, "This is exactly what I was looking for," or "I so needed this video," or even "You read my mind." That is a great clue that your messaging is directly on point for your target audience. Now, superfans not only bring in money for you directly with their purchases, but they will also promote you to their circles. They will share your content, they're going to talk about you, they're going to introduce you to their networks. So they'll actually help you grow your audience as well. Now, please note that not everyone is going going to be a super fan, and that's okay. You're going to have regular fans as well. They're not totally head over heels in love with you like the super fans, but they like you. They follow some of your content and they will make some purchases as well. Think of it as two concentric circles. The innermost circle, that's your super fans. The broader circle, that is your regular fans. So what's great is if you focus on just the super fans, you'll end up attracting regular fans, and your super fans will bring you regular fans in the process. So the moral of the story is to know exactly who your super fans are. If you've heard of the term target audience, it's pretty similar. Your target audience should be the super fans you are looking to attract. Know them inside and out. Continue to consistently create good quality content that speaks specifically to that target audience to create your 1,000 super fans. Now I've got a great video. It'll be in the upper right corner of your screen here, and if you're on mobile, you don't see that, just open up the description. It'll be right there for you. But that video is going to teach you how to set up your business offerings so that you can earn more money from all of your fans. Remember, the more you make per superfan, the fewer superfans that you need to reach your goal. So if you're not yet earning $100 from each of your superfans, or if you just want to get better numbers and just make more money from each superfan, you need to watch this video next. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications so that we can help you create the time freedom that you are looking for. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'll see you soon.